Hello everyone. I know you'll be wondering why I'm dressing like this, because I ain't dealing with Ndi Omenala, the so-called people that call themselves the original Ndi Omenala. So when you're dealing with them, you also need to dress like them. So when you're talking to them, now this is the latest update. Please, when you see this message, share it. I'm not supposed to do this video, but the information reaching me now, that's the reason why I came out here, just to still update you. I was supposed to be sleeping. I just finished 16 hours, came back, so I need to be sleeping by now. But I need to tell you guys what is on the ground. Sorry, what is on ground. You know, yesterday I made this video regarding about what they found in Matthias' phone, and that Waja is not telling people the truth. Waja, I saw your comment under my comment section that I misunderstood you. No, sir. With all due respect, I did not misunderstand or misunderstood you. I vividly and I deliberately and I honestly, with all the truth in me, Matthias no too heavy. But I'm so shocked that people like you that is aware of what is happening are not willing to come out and tell the world the truth. Whether these people are not what you guys think they are. Now let me start from Matthias' history. What Matthias has done. The reason why there is nothing like underestimating what Matthias can do and what Matthias has already done. Now let me put it like this. I remember vividly well, there is this Dibia guy, Matthias Ezeaku, arrested, humiliated, brought this Dibia. You know, people seems to forget history, and people still seems to forget when Mado they wrong. And then Mado always don't like to go from the bottom to the roots. You want to go? Now Matthias arrested this Dibia guy, humiliated this guy, told the guy, you may sign an undertaking on this behalf that you're not leaving this place. Please, you with the logia gonna to say, because these people want to suppress everybody. Could you imagine that somebody came to my DM, now my WhatsApp, not even DM, now my WhatsApp, and left a message and started calling me, threatening me, calling me Mashia, maybe you don't really know who I am. Maybe you are just a new follower on this Facebook. If you know me, you know that I'm the last person to threaten. I am the last species you will ever come across to threaten. The same idiot that came to my platform starts asking me to match him up. So I have to screenshotted. I screenshotted what he requested from the day he came to me. I said, "Nah, the biggest aparewoge. Maybe you don't really know me. I've been on social media to understand. You know that threats even provoke me the more. If he threatening me, get provoke him to do what I don't want to do. I am one of those people that you dare not come to my inbox to showcase threats. Simple. You can make your constructive argument or your statement. That will be understandable. Now, let me go in details. You know, I made this statement yesterday. A lot of people were just shaking. Yes. I'm an insider. I will tell you nothing but the truth. Waja. Yawuni wonye Ezioku. And the couples with other people that are vibrating like electric shock. Electric shock. You guys will come out and tell the world what is holding Matthias. Why Matthias is so grounded that to come out Wamara Chineke. Now Zewusu Potara with a lawyer. Potabia gunu that yawuru mekpe wipe ni ikpe mana this Matthias. Nde Ezeaku bu Omenala ko Ezeaku bu Ishi ha. They started fighting this guy. Now they are saying that Zewusu has collected money. You see what Nabun about these people? You can never metela ha. Matthias has the, let me tell you, Matthias is fairly allowed the law. Let him face the law. The incrementing information that is in those phones and with that linked up with the threat Simon Ekpa issued under 72 hours is the problem Matthias will face. And the way things is going now, if time is not taken, Matthias will be charged to court. And that charge to court, Matthias will become the enemy of Nigeria, enemy of federal government. Let me say this again. Simon Ekpa, my brother. I will call you my brother because I like part of some things you're doing, not all. Stay clear from this kind of cases. I will repeat it again. You have caused more problem to this young man than anything. And what by you no Nigerian government, if they take over this case as a federal offense, according to what they saw and what implicated Matthias in this journey, in this quest of her justice, you are causing more harm to this young man than the good he gave me. Simon Ekpa, tag him so he will listen. Simon Ekpa, remove your hands from things like this. Remove your hands from things like this so you will not cause more mayhem to this guy. He is in a sober situation. The reality has finally dawned on him. The incremental plan na their WhatsApp group. Matthias na plan with some unknown names that I will mention here. So, my dear brother, face your struggle. Face the freedom you think you are getting and the freedom you are about to get. Remove your hands from things like this that will jeopardize Matthias. Nobody will save Matthias. The things is about to hit on him. Only God in heaven, with his intervention, that Jesus Ojorajo, will intervene in his case. I am telling you this with all honesty in me. You are causing more problem to Matthias than good. Matthias is in a big mess. You know these hoodlums, all these people gallivanting. Tell on, I forgot to put a picture that the most useless person I want on social media that about to face his waterlope soon. This I know here. This I know here na udela. Your own, oh my God, I wish you know what is about to hit on your head. I wish you know what is about to fall on your misery head. If you know what is about to hit on your head, oh my God, Matthias is just secondary. Your own is a primary case. Even your own is kindergarten, where you nurture people, where you, you upgrade, where you filter things. If time is not taken, you will be sentenced. You can spend the more years in that penitentiary or whatever. So, my dear, for all of you, for Omenala, you should ask Matthias, the justice in our pass got to him when on your passer before. This thing in our Matthias city and when on your passer before, and when somebody intimidated with the same Nigerian police. Or when somebody or suppressed with the same authority, this thing so many. So, my dear people of Omenala, before you guys will start jumping, the famugam, all of you going crazy, talking out of points. Unu believe na that suppress Matthias. Or when onye Matthias before, the question should be answered. And Matthias, if any now on those phones, you should say even among opportunity you will get, or we got what the whole world the image or we got because I knew what according to what I heard, the men guy, the men of Kalesia mother, the men of Dogu with a Kozayon. Nwoke Ndi Igbo they respect, not some of them like all this Ndi Omenala. These are the kind of Igbo men that I respect. Actions speak louder than words. They don't waste their time. They don't waste it to come and sit on social media. No, actions speak louder than words. Matthias Ezeaku, that's why he chose the mini level. Oh, bulurumbo ogodo apamu awushenya. Yes, Matthias werela apamu ya apamu oda bulie yelu dingbongo no tita awushenya. These are men that don't talk, but their action move like a quack. No. When make action. So, Akuzayon, you are the kind of men I respect in Igbo Land. And that dogu that, and you need mention Iwo dogu karido dogu. Iwo nwoke kariri nwoke. If I were you, ndebanye sentiment is too much. You should carry this Matthias. Let him face the law. Obey somebody the same justice actually. Let him face the law. Simple. Let him face the law. My brother, even unu the too lenient for my liking. Unu the too soft-hearted for my liking. Let Matthias and Ndi Igbo Omenala ya. Kahabia butu Igbo hana eti. Imari on and threat. Because of threats na agama no gite Matthias elu nishi. Agama gbati unu na awum tero. Remember ihe mere na nka akwa when ndị otu ya bịara. Akwenu how I came out, and that is exactly what I will do to Matthias. So when you guys keep in this life sending me message na my was all the biggest mistake one and know him today. You dare not threaten me. I am the wrong person to threaten. In 1 year, you will never have peace. Magemando to go. Become Akuzayon. Na that's Okalesia Mado. Ji Matthias na Pamuramu na Wuya. I wish you allow this Nigerian government to take the law to the right place. Matthias face the law. So all this his hoodlums will learn in a hard way. All these miscreants, all these all these blind people, they will learn in a hard way that working up actually good jamire the anamvaka. He's a man that talk in business, that does things. Come on, Shinga for yourself. Get out. Get out. Get out to Shinga for yourself. In a shame lotana. I wouldn't was in tapo. Una makesha bulatoyan in America. I committed it. Whatever you said I committed it in America. So the law should take place in America. Why will you wait for me to come to Nigeria? My families, my siblings, my children, my extended family, we are here. Are we must also in tapo? Can't you do? Akuzayon wonye chonye ya cho somebody no outside the country para rio bukaya ye jin tapo bia. Men that does something with action. Why are you on social media commenting with a fake account for that matter? If you not like you they put anything, I am the last person to you for you to threaten. You want to go? So uno rant cha on social media, uno face here the reality. Akuzayon, my cap for you. Onye bariage, why na woke kariri woke. Chonya no tika. As far as no one choro okpu. Onya achoge. Like me. Ndawulam na reply. They once look for my trouble. I don't look for trouble. I don't come for you first. So ibe maybe put evidence in him. But this fact, Ebuka did not Reverend Ebuka or Ebuka did not call Matthias. Majority of the threat to amen ka o church oku. Amen ka. All man evidence the poko. Inokata Ghana onya akporogi. Inokata you start looking for trouble, people akporogi. So all of you now, I get it. I cannot look for nya homo. Each homo one may get 20. And I'm on wrong memo. No, when they got put on social media and I'm sorry, I lie. I did day my day. Matthias look for my trouble. Matthias look for my trouble years back. So whenever I'm on his case, and I'm on his case because onye chorom kam na cho. I don't just look for people's problem. So people don't know. He already joined the Facebook. If you don't know history between me and Matthias, go and bury yourself. What I go? Go and bury yourself. So, Bikono, Akosayon, if I may give you advice, don't leave Matthias. Okalisia Mado, Kahuji na Pampura Mochoga. I want to have a direct contact with Onya. Again, when Matthias, let me tell you, he is a Christian, you are a pagan. Darkness and light has no business up together. Go and look for your Omenala people and associate with them. Onya Ineku Christian, he embraced God. You don't have no communication with him whatsoever. So Iheji Matthias is too strong. You want to go? Iheji Matthias is too strong. For those of you that are looking for what I will pity my husband, well, you don't need to pity my husband. I pity anybody that will marry your useless lifestyle. Or anybody that you even have anything to do with. Don't pity my husband, though. You want to go? So, what I'm saying is that Matthias, he jiggy too much. He jiggy beyond repair. Waja. Let me repeat it again. Wando to get your the high standard of the problem, Matthias on email. No, a responsible man cannot keep me up. And the useless person when they get keep pugi or when they keep puya. Either ways. Matthias waja. But people, what is holding Matthias? You want to go? What people? What is holding Matthias? One who has your kunifa from a phone the two monimios. Or who's let me tell you, Ebukobi. Oh, problem anos Ebukobi na. Anybody not Ebukobi na one naya? Anybody? Ebukobi is an innocent Christian, lovely person. Ebukobi is an innocent, lovely soul that God brought on this earth to save all these pagans, people like every other persons. But because of una primitive and timid, archaic lifestyle, merunuchi what I go? Iri Matthias Ishi. Ebukobi has nothing to do with this. Now Matthias will face it. If that Jesus on our party every day, morning and night did not intervene, Matthias got matter. Matthias got matter no 1 and 4. Send me star no there, star button no there. Click it, send me. What I go? Yawuru na Matthias aga mata na ya no na big soup. Ndo tu ya magodi ihe na emeni ga mata. Matthias is crying like a baby every morning, every night. Yeah, Matthias mere one dibia years back has repeated on his neck. For those of you that will come out to say, I may intimidate the Nigerian authority, Matthias intimidated somebody before now. Matthias intimidated just somebody with a freedom of speech. Yeah, Matthias is exercising freedom of speech. The same Madibia may exercise his freedom of speech. Matthias and Uruyan. The guy has to sign because so Matthias feel na yakaya. So Matthias, the same people, if you that oh, what the same people feel that Hakage negotiate what man need you wouldn't work. What man need you wouldn't work. Thank you for the star, my darling. So here he made gauge by the same thing in measure again. Whether Matthias release go digina putaga money here. When you come out tonight, that money here, even if that today afternoon, night get release today, it got money here. If you not get all this one, the police they did not charge you with a federal money here. You will learn a lesson. This time around, you have to learn. Even today, the Nigerian government make it they will not overcharge you. They will not overcharge you or they will not charge you. This one should teach you a lesson. If again, come and magana. Okay, he might not want to deceive you. The arrest cannot close his mouth. Matthias very soon but gamana na nwoke kariri nwoke akpamu ga ahụ elesia get respect onwe gi. You want to go? So next time I got chana this ije puta get put na ona eme osola ge puta bia gbaja wonu buari we again I'll puta ge puta the next person who udela Next person woge osolagi do not learn from this mistake. Next time ntiabahuogi. Impotala this time manada to intervention of Chineke mereji potage. Pota again bia rubbish. Undertaking nina he signing. Don't keep it. Pota bia me pam ka agwagi no dogu kari odogu. Zuzu ama na very imoriki amenege because ndebe anyi na sentiment na sympathy na this thing dị na adịna I got put Chineke zoge Lord this one. Next time, let me block this here. Come on, get out of here. Next time, anya game me before you talk. God the shimba. The reason why I had you do it after that 72 hours, actually Simon Ebanyu Aroshe. I 72 hours on yesterday. That is what was holding you there. Because now anybody else can the petition now again if time is not taken. But again. Next time people will judge rightfully before they will come out to criticize people. Guys, my live program again. Let me go and sleep, Joe. See you guys this evening. Bye for now.